Naming your business is one of the first steps, and trust us, it is more than just a name. It is your identity. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about topics designed to help save you time and money. Did you know that every year, hundreds of thousands of business names are registered in the USA? And with that kind of traffic, things can get a tad complicated, especially when you dive into the government's bureaucratic processes. Slow-moving papers, layers of forms, and the ever-looming possibility of not getting that unique name you have set your heart on. Well, there's a strong second option. Welcome to Reservations.com. We proudly stand as the #1 third-party organization in the USA that provides business name reservations. We are here to make your journey easier, faster, and so much more streamlined. Our team has successfully reserved countless business names in the past year alone. So, why wade through the murky waters of government processes when we have carved out a clear path for you? Our experts understand the importance of getting your business name right and without any delays. They are dedicated to helping entrepreneurs like you kickstart their dreams in high gear. Choose, use, and reserve your business name in a snap. Let's create your business story, and let's start it with the perfect name. Because with us at your side, your business journey becomes a whole lot simpler and exciting. Join the countless others who have trusted us, and let's make your dream a reality. To get started, just visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, in which state will you operate your business? Drop a comment below and let us know your exciting plans. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to protect your time and money.